Hi, my name is Matt Rosenthal. I am the CEO of Mindcore Technologies, and I want to thank you for visiting our cybersecurity page. This is one of the most important topics. Why? Because this is the number one risk to your business. So number one risk to your revenue, the number one risk to your customers is you having a cybersecurity breach. So if you're worried, if you're concerned, if you're possibly frustrated when it comes to not just your technology, but specifically your cybersecurity, if your insurance company is asking you questions and you don't know the answers, imagine the opposite. Imagine that you were secure. Imagine that you knew what was going on. Imagine that you had everything in place that you needed to have in place so that your cybersecurity was working for you, so that you could not have to worry about it. Look, cybersecurity is never going to be 100%, but you taking the steps to do everything you can to reduce that risk is the kind of conversation that we have, and we advise you and we share our knowledge and expertise in this area. So I encourage you to give us a call, to send us an email, just to reach out and schedule a conversation. Be happy to talk with you and see if where you are is where you need to be, and if not, we can certainly give you a roadmap of how to get there. So again, thank you for visiting our page. Hope you have